Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will tell you about Turkey's first interactive adventure motivation museum. Where is Motivation Museum? How to go and all the detailed information. Before starting the video, you can support us by subscribing to our channel. In this wonderful space, which was opened in 2020, you will experience that you remember the past. At the same time, you will get on the tram with your children and suddenly find yourself above the clouds in the dream room. And you will travel to the unforgettable memories of your childhood with the time tunnel. You will witness them having fun in the color-changing ball pool consisting of 350,000 balls and watch them from the stands. And most importantly, you will find yourself in a magic forest with the vortex tunnel and experience that nothing is as it seems with mind games and that it is an illusion. Let's take a look at what's in the Motivation Museum. You will encounter a completely different world, consisting of 7 separate sections that combine technology, dreams and design with the concept of motivation, lasting 70 minutes on average, including concepts such as giant ball pool, virtual reality technologies, selfie areas, illusion room and digital graffiti. If you ask which days and hours of Motivation Museum is open, it is open from 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. on Monday, and from 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. on other days. The last visitor entry must enter at 8 o'clock, as it will close at 9 p.m. The average visitor time in the event area is 60 to 75 minutes. Entrance fees on January 28 and 2023 for the Motivation Museum are 99 Turkish lira for one person on weekdays, 69 Turkish lira for students, and 229 Turkish lira for family packages for 4 people. This price increases slightly on the weekend. It is also free for children aged between 0-3. For the latest prices, please call 0552 716 7675 because prices can change frequently today. You can buy tickets right at the entrance of the museum or online if you want from paso.com website. Where and how we can get the Istanbul Motivation Museum. It is located on the first floor of the Watergarden Shopping Center, which is a food and entertainment center in the Atasehir district on the Anatolian side of Istanbul. West Atasehir minibuses departing from Üsküdar and Kadıköy pass in front of Watergarden. You can also reach Watergarden Shopping Center by city bus number 256 from Taksim, number 112 from Besiktas, and number 8A from Kadıköy. While you are at the Watergarden, you can watch the pool show with the unique harmony of fire and water. This show is held at the beginning of every hour, especially in the evening hours. It is incredibly entertaining. You can also enjoy it at bowling, cinema, zipline, Adventure Park and Watergarden Nostalgia Street. I hope our video has been useful for you. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel for such videos. And you can also leave your valuable opinions in the comments section.